According to statistics, hirsutism, also known as excessive hair in unusual areas, affects about 5 to 10% of women of all ages. However, no matter how healthy we may be, we all have to use tweezers on our faces from time to time in order to look gorgeous. We've found that it's not always necessary to use such painful methods of facial hair removal, especially when other less painful methods can be found right in your kitchen. Healthy Me made a list of the most effective remedies for removing facial hair that you can use easily from the comfort of your own home. Number 9. Green Gram Plus Rose Water. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of green gram flour, 1 to 2 tablespoons of rose water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Preparation: place green gram flour and rose water in a bowl and mix them well. Add lemon juice to the paste and then mix the ingredients once again. Usage: apply the paste on the affected areas of your skin. Let it sit there for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it's completely dry. Rub the mask off with your fingers. Repeat 3 to 4 times a week. Results: green gram flour has great exfoliating properties, and when coupled with rose water, it helps inhibit hair growth. Suitable for all skin types. Number 8. Onion plus basil. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized onions, 10 to 12 basil leaves. Preparation: find the thin, transparent membranes of skin between the layers of an onion. Crush the membranes with basil leaves to make a paste. Usage: apply the paste on unwanted hair and leave it there for about 20 to 25 minutes. Wash it off with warm water. Repeat 3 to 4 times a week for 1 to 2 months. Results: onion is actually extremely beneficial for you as it facilitates hair growth. However, when used along with basil, it gives the reverse effect and helps you get rid of unwanted facial hair. Suitable for all skin types. Number 7. Lavender oil plus tea tree oil. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of lavender oil, 4 to 6 drops of tea tree oil. Preparation: mix lavender oil with tea tree oil in a bowl. Usage: apply the mixture of oils on the facial hair with a cotton ball. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day for at least 3 months. Results: lavender and tea tree oil have anti-androgenic properties that help in removing unwanted hair. Suitable for oily and acne-prone skin types. Number 6. Honey plus sugar. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water. Preparation: put the sugar into a bowl and add honey and water to it. Place the mixture in the microwave for about 30 seconds until the sugar dissolves and mixes with the liquids. Usage: apply the paste to the parts of your face with unwanted hair. Place a strip of cloth over the applied mixture and let it cool for a couple of seconds. Pull the strip in the opposite direction in which your hair is growing. Repeat as often as needed. Results: this peel-off mask removes all unwanted hair instantly and perfectly exfoliates dead skin cells. Suitable for all skin types. Number 5. Oatmeal plus banana. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 ripe banana. Take a banana and mash it to make a paste. Blend the oatmeal and the mashed banana in a bowl. Usage: apply a generous amount of the paste on the desired areas and rub it in a circular motion. Let the paste sit for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Results: oatmeal has a grainy texture which makes it a good exfoliating agent for facial skin. Suitable for all skin types. Number 4. Gelatin plus milk. 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin powder, 3 tablespoons of whole milk, a few drops of lemon juice. Preparation: in a bowl, mix gelatin with milk and lemon juice. Heat the mixture in the microwave for 15 to 20 seconds. Usage: after you remove the mixture from the microwave, let it cool off for a few seconds, then apply it directly to your face. Let the mask sit on your face for 5 minutes, then peel it off with your fingers. Repeat as often as needed. Results: the mask is extremely sticky and is able to peel off all the unwanted hairs instantly. It can also help you to get rid of blackheads and dead skin cells. Suitable for all skin types except sensitive and acne-prone ones. Number 3. Egg plus cornstarch. Ingredients: 1 egg, 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sugar, Preparation: crack an egg and put the white from it into a bowl. Add sugar and cornstarch to it and stir the ingredients well to make a smooth paste. Usage: apply the paste to your face and let it dry for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once the paste is hard enough, grab it and rip it off. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. Results: egg whites strongly stick to your facial hairs and plucks them as perfectly as store-bought wax. Suitable for all skin types except acne-prone and sensitive ones. Number 2. Potato plus lentil. Ingredients: 1 cup of yellow lentils. 1 potato. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of honey. Preparation: soak the lentils in water overnight. In the morning, run the soaked lentils through a food processor to crush them into a thick paste. Peel the potato and run it through the food processor as well. Take a sieve and pass the crushed potato through it to extract as much potato juice as possible. Mix the potato juice with the lentil paste, and add honey and lemon juice to the mixture. Usage: apply the paste to the affected areas and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Once the mask is fully dry, remove it with your fingers. The paste will fall off, taking your unwanted hair with it. Repeat 1 to 2 times a week. Results: dried lentils make it easier for your hair to be pulled out, while potatoes have natural bleaching properties that help lighten your remaining hairs and make them less visible. Suitable for all skin types, but if you have dry skin, don't forget to use moisturizer after applying the mask. Number 1. Papaya plus turmeric. Ingredients: 1 raw papaya. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Preparation: peel the papaya and cut it into little pieces. Mash the pieces to make a paste. Mix the papaya paste with turmeric powder. Usage: apply the paste to the parts of your face with unwanted hair. Massage your skin gently at first and then let the mask sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with warm water. Repeat 2 times a week. Results: papain, an enzyme found in raw papaya, disintegrates the cuticle of human hair and causes it to fall out naturally. Suitable for all skin types. Bonus: how to remove unwanted hair effectively. Be patient when trying out home remedies, as most of them usually take a longer time to show results. Have a steam bath before using any of the remedies in order to open up your skin's pores. After doing the treatment, wash your face properly to keep your skin clean and neat. Drink plenty of water as well as fruit and vegetable juices to stay hydrated and get all the essential vitamins for your skin. To balance your hormones and reduce the growth of unwanted hair, stick to a healthy diet and exercise regularly. If you experience unusual hair growth along with the appearance of certain muscular features like decreased breast size, a deepening of your voice or increased muscle mass, consult your doctor. What methods do you usually use to remove unnecessary facial hair? Share your recipes in the comments. On what topics you want us to make our next video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications about our new videos.